The diagonals AC and BD of the parallelogram ABCD intersect each other at the point O. If DAC is 32 degree and AOB is 80 degree, then find DBC. ABCD, this is a parallelogram, diagonals AC and BD. Then they intersect at O. If DAC is 32 degree, if DAC is this angle is 32 degree, and AOB is 80 degree. AOB, this angle is 80 degree. Then find DBC, angle DBC, angle DBC, this angle we have to find. That is the problem here. That is the problem here. So, to solve this problem, we will use a few theorems. Let me write the theorems. Angles, theorem, then vertically opposite angles, theorem, and alternate interior angles theorem. So we will use these theorems to solve this problem. ABCD is a parallelogram and AC and BD are two transversal. Just a moment. Given ABCD is a parallelogram, hence side AD is parallel to side BC. Side AD, this side, is parallel to BC. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram and AC is transversal. AC, this line is a transversal here. AD and BC are parallel and AC is a transversal. This is AD this is BC, and this is a transversal A, B, C, D. We take a midpoint here. AC is the transversal. So, by this theorem, alternate interior angles here and here, these are alternate interior angles on this transversal. They are equal by this theorem because they are alternate alternate angles on this transversal, and these two lines are parallel. That is a theorem. Alternate angles on a transversal are equal. Alternate interior angles, these are alternate interior angles, so they are equal, which means this angle 32 is equal to this angle. This is the transversal. These are two alternate interior angles. Hence, if this is 32, this is also 32. Hence, angle OCB is equal to angle C or DSC. DSC is already given 32 degree. Reason is alternate interior angles on a transversal. So OCB is 32 also. This is 32 and this is also 32. Then we have angle AOB plus angle AOD equal to angle AOB and angle AOD. These two angles, this is 80 degree. What is the measure of this angle? These two angles is equal to 180 degree. Why? Why these two angles together is 180 degree? It is because they are supplementary angles. Angle AOB and angle AOD. AOB and AOD, they are supplementary angles. When AC and BD, these are two diagonals of this parallelogram ABCD, and they intersect here at this point. And since they intersect each other, hence the adjacent angles, this one and this one, these two, they are adjacent to each other. Hence, their summation is always equal to 180 degree because they are supplementary angles. As I said, when two straight lines cross each other or intersect each other at any point, then the adjacent angles produced are always supplementary. That is a theorem. So you have to write this theorem here as reason. Write the reason here because they are supplementary angles. Hence, angle AOD is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree, which is 100 degree. So we have this angle, this is equal to 100 degree. Angle AOD, AOD, this is 100 degree. Now since angle AOD and, or we can write therefore angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Why? Why AOD is equal to BOC? AOD is equal to BOC. This angle is equal to this angle, BOC, this angle, because they are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle BOC is also 100 degree. This angle is also 100 degree. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. When two straight lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles created like this, they are always equal to each other. That is the theorem, vertically opposite angles, because they are vertically opposite angles and therefore that is they are equal. So BOC is equal to 100 degree. Therefore, we have in this triangle BOC plus angle ACB plus angle BCB equal to 180 degree. BOC, ACB and BCB. So DBBC. Some mistake here. BOC, BOC, this angle plus ACB ACB, this angle, plus DBC, DBC, this angle, they are together is equal to 180 degree. Why? Why the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree? Because I forgot to write it here. Sum of all three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So we recall this theorem that sum of all three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Hence, sum of BOC, this angle, ACB, this angle, and DBC, the third angle, is 180 degree. But we already have the summation of BOC and ACB. Hence, DBC is 180 degree minus summation of BOC and ACB. This one plus this one, that is 132 degree, which is equal to how much? 48 degree. So DBC is equal to 48 degree, and that is our solution. So we take the help of these theorems to arrive at the solution.